So this may be a video, it may not. But I'm on my way to LAUNDRYMAT to I gotta go to the washer. I gotta go to Walmart to get something to snack on, and not to get nothing to snack on, get something to eat for the next few days, and also buy my baby a toy, of course, as always, per usual. So I just let y'all know this might be a vlog, but let's go. And y'all know my car got took, but that's okay. My mama let me use hers. So yeah, I got this. We gonna smoke it. Man, I want to wear my mama car to set the phone up like I did in my car, to where I could actually drive and talk to y'all while smoking and stuff at the same time. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna smoke this blunt on my way there, and then I'll let you guys like hit back up with y'all. Okay, so I finally made it to the washer. I went to Walgreens. Let me tell y'all what I got. Let's see. Look, I got this game friend. Of course, we're gonna use all this shit today. This Snuggles. Just the one I like. And then we got some boom. We got some of this from Walgreens as well. And lastly, I got 2 packs of nails from Walgreens. I got these, which I think are super cute. And I also got this, because I really don't like long nails. I mean, I like long nails, but I can't work and do all the stuff I need to do with long nails on just yet. So I got this. So we finna get ready to go put the clothes in the washer. If you ain't never been to the washer, first thing you do before you go to the washer, before you go to packing all your clothes, is you need to go in here and see if there's washers available. Let's go. Actually, I ain't nobody in a washer. So, boom, boom. And I usually put my clothes in these two. And these, and them two right here. So, got these clothes. I got these clothes. Working. Okay, so the clothes be pre-washed, so I want to just put my other shoe in there so I can put the clothes. I'm making a mess. And then we got 30 minutes to do something else. Okay, so now basically we got 30 minutes to do something else. I was just gonna run to the store and then come back, but I decided instead, so I don't have to be doing all that driving, I am going to clean my mama's car out. That's why I bought these wipes, so I can wipe her car down and put and organize it just a tad bit, because it's just a tad bit going left. I'm gonna let y'all see it and then I'll hop into that. This is just the front of mama's car. It's not that bad, but no. That's all I'm on my car. So yeah. It's trash right here. It must be, you know, yeah. So never could get this right. Fine. I haven't got to the back, but I feel like I hooked it up just a little bit, you know. And also cleaned it up. I would have cleaned the froze, but I don't got like this little brush I like to use, so I'm not so about to Dollar Tree get one. I just wait till we get one. And I still need to clean up the back. This is the front. So now we're finna run into Walmart. My phone finna go dead. So we got a few goals to get out of things to get out of Walmart. First, we need to get some food, some snacks. I need to get bagel, cream cheese, bacon, eggs, little stuff like that. So get us through the next couple of days. I'm gonna cook macaroni, sweet peas, and chicken tonight. So I need to get that. I need to get oil. And also, I need to get my baby a Play-Doh. I know I'm getting Play-Doh, and I'll probably get him another toy, too, because his daddy did send him, quote-unquote, child support. So, we're gonna do that. That's pretty much our main goal, main thing. That's pretty much what we gotta do in Walmart. So let's go. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of forgot all about the vlog that I was doing when I went on Walmart. But I'm tired. I'm hurt after coming out of Walmart. I spent $247, I believe. Half of it on food, the other half is basically on toys for my baby. Yeah, so I'll show you what I got when I get home. The frappe is a pass today, period. So I'm There's some card games we gonna play. Yeah, card game we gonna play. What? Oh, I see you scooped up all that sand. Good job. You can figure out how you want to put this is done. I like them. I could roll with it. I could dig it. I ain't rolling a red fan, but you know, we just doing red for us. So, yeah.